I'm laser engraver obsessed, and be careful, I'm going to hook you in too. I have been busy hundreds of hours laser engraving. We've tried a few different machines. We've done cutting boards and signs and leather and book covers and just an incredible amount of projects. We're fortunate we're going to be showing you the Atomstack machine today. It is the A5 M50 Pro. They sent it to us to show you how easy it is to use, and I agree, it is really easy and a really cool machine. So let me show you some of the features, and then our daughter Bailey is going to show you how to make this incredible chess set. We're going to give you the tips, the measurements, everything you need to make this project. So watch the video and find out how. Okay, first thing that you are going to fall in love with is it has an emergency stop button. When your design is going awry or you have your measurements, you just instantly hit this. You don't have to go to your computer screen to find stop. So incredible feature on that. Second thing that made me fall in love with it, we have several machines going on our work surface here, and they have to come from a computer. Not with this machine. You can save your file on the computer screen, and you can save it to this thumb drive. The thumb drive inside it has this little itty bitty card that the file is saved to, and you insert it. It's a TF card. You insert it into the front of the machine, and then you can operate it from the screen. So then your computer is available to run other operations. So huge feature on this machine is this little screen that you can run it with. The software is either Lasergrbl or Lightburn, and so I'm not going to touch on that because there's quite a bit of information on the web about those. We personally use the Lasergrbl, so it's really easy to use. One of the great features with this one, I love this huge dial. This is how you raise and lower the height of your beam. And they give you a piece of acrylic. And so you just set the acrylic on your project and you drop this down and then you just tighten it up. So this is just obviously a test piece of wood. Put your acrylic on there and drop down your laser and pull out your acrylic, and then you're ready to start your project. Our work surface is just a piece of plywood or MDF, and I have a grid drawn on there. And so our table is 24 inches deep. The machine fits nicely on it, but I have to say it fits a little too close. The other machines I've used gives you a little bit of wiggle room, but before you know it, this has scooted out sometimes. It doesn't quite fit on the 24-inch table. So I have some 1x sticks that I just set it on each side to give it a little bit more stability, so that it doesn't have the tendency to get bumped, but then I can still use my grid. And so that's nothing bad about the Atomstack machine. It's just something, if you have your work surface set up, that's just a workaround of how to make that work for you. The laser on this one, it has a guard here so that you can watch the machine run. Love that. Of course, you always have the safety glasses as an option, but this one you can actually watch the machine burn. The last thing I want to say, which is a 2 thumbs up, is where your cords and your control is. It's right here in front. I've used a couple different machines that the cord is in the back and it would get caught. It's kind of hard to turn on, or they go in to the front this and they get bumped. This is a fantastic setup, and the on and off button is super plain. It's right up front and makes it a really good setup.
As you can see, we have a lot of crafts going on, but today we're going to do a chessboard. And so I included the help of my dad and brother, and they cut me a slab of wood. Don't worry if you don't have a huge pile of wood like we do. We have an Amazon link down below of something that's pretty comparable that can work for you. But we have it, and I sanded it down, got it all ready, and we will soon move to the laser engraver. If you are wanting to do this project, which we hope you do, we have a link down below to our website, and there we have all the files ready to go for you. So we've made it really simple. We've got our log and it's all set up, ready to go. If you guys have cut the logs yourself, it might be uneven, which is the case of ours. It's very uneven, so you just might want to level it out. That way the laser will be even throughout the whole thing and won't leave some sections really dark and some sections not burnt as well. But the ones that if you're going to buy on Amazon, which we have that link below, those should be pretty even, but you might just want to check it out yourselves. As we've said, we have the files ready to go for you. So we have our file ready to go on the software that we use, which is Lasergrbl, but as we said, there's a couple other softwares that you can use. And we have found center and we're ready to let it go. Right now, roughly it's saying that it might be around 3.5 hours for the entire burn, which we have this set up for a 10 by 10 square. And look at that, it's done. I'm gonna put a quick layer of polyurethane on it and then I will show you the final product. Okay, so first what we're doing is we have craft paper down and we have the lasers settings on craft paper, and what we're going to do is we have these pieces here for the chess/checker pieces, and we're going to make a template of circles on this paper so that we can line these up on the circles, and then it will be able to do the whole set of the chessboard at the same time rather than us having to set down each piece individually to have them laser burned. Our plan is working. We made the template and we have them all laid out, and now we're just watching it do its thing. Look at that, it did it.
First of all, I wanted to say thank you for Atomstack for letting us try their fantastic machine. It's fabulous. We love it. We hope you'll love it too. You can check out the link on where to order that below, but I love how the project turned out.
Oh man, the possibilities of projects now are just endless with that machine. And yeah, the chessboard, the chess pieces all turned out incredible. And if you want to do the same project, below we have a link to our website, and on our website we have all the files so you can do it yourself. But it just turned out incredible. We love it.
Yeah, so as always, thank you for watching DIY on the House. Check out our other videos. You won't be disappointed. But thanks for watching.